Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, I am Megan. Now you know. Thank you for stopping by. I have just a quick video for you. It is an unboxing from Nobility Silicone Practice Hand. It is the full hand. I did buy this myself and it was about $65. I did get it on Amazon, but check out this packaging. How nice is this? Like, look at the quality of this box. And then on the back side, it's got some photos. I think this is really cute. And look how it opens. It's magnetic. So you pop her open it up this way. And then the first thing in here, there is this, it's a card. It's one page with basic uses, care instructions, that sort of stuff. And then on back, some more instructions on how to remove. Do not bend the fingers into unnatural positions. Well, why would you do that? So let me show you this hand. Like, already from here, you can see there is texture on this hand. This is like a soft foam that keeps it in here nice and safe. Y'all are not gonna believe the name. Her name is Miss Thing. It's the lady version of Thing. Plus Miss Thing is hilarious. Look at these hands. Let me see if I can show you a little bit closer without running into these lights. Let me lift them up. Alright, so these are the nail beds. They're kind of smooth, but they are soft. You can push them down. The cuticles, I like that they're not real gapped. And it looks like it goes pretty deep. I haven't put a nail in here yet because I'm just opening it. But look how simple these fingers are to move. Just the lightest pressure. I have a different hand that I got for like 2 for $12. Horrible, 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 horrible. It takes like all my might to move them at all, and then they don't move and they don't stay. But this is so nice. Look at the inside. It's even got the details like a real hand. And it's relatively firm. Like, it's not squishy. It's not that like play with consistency. Like, this is a good solid hand. The fingers, they don't mush real easy. It does feel like it's got some steadiness to it, which I think the selling point for me with that is if it's sturdy, it's gonna last a long time. But also I wanted to make sure the cuticles were sturdy, and these do feel that way because I have watched some videos actually about some reviews of some hands, and the cuticles often get tore up because they're just too soft, especially when you're going into file. And the reason that I got this hand in general is so that I could learn how to file around cuticles when it comes to products like polygel, acrylic, things like that. And I'm very interested in polygel. In fact, I've had to dabble with it a little bit. You may recognize these from when I did the dip powder. This is actually the same day that I'm recording this, even though it's going to be posted quite a bit later, so that's why they still look fabulous. Again, thank you, Azura Beauty, for sending these over to me. But I just wanted to stop by and show you this hand of Miss Thing. She'll be making an appearance occasionally, possibly as our client. Beautiful, beautiful silicone hand. But that's really it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have this hand, or if there is a hand similar to this that's an alternative that may be maybe a better deal, more accessible to people. Because again, this one was about $65. But in the grand scheme of things, I think that's pretty decent. Some of these name brand hands I've seen that can get pretty far up there. So thank you again. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your interaction. As always, I do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.